everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are officially 1 week until Christmas, and I don't know about you all, but my to-do list is a mile long. Even though I have that list, the everyday cleaning does not stop, and today we are going to tackle my home during the first 40 minutes of nap time. My goal is to not even spend an hour on this, but I just need to reset my house really quick. That way I can sit down during nap, eat, and accomplish a few other things on my list. This morning I hosted a play date, so with that comes some general kid mess, and honestly, with having 5 kids, I feel like my house is always destroyed by noon every day. So as I said, we're just going to do a quick nap time reset just to get the house back in order, and then at the end of the video I'm actually going to bring you along with me as we wrap some presents. Now if you are new to my channel, you do not know that I am a mommy to 5, and with that comes a lot of Christmas wrapping. So my goal for this week is to just wrap a few presents every day. That way I can get it done, but it does not become overwhelming. So with all of that being said, we're going to jump right into cleaning, and we are going to start in my basement. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my storage room right now, only because over the weekend I decided to move 90% of our toys that were in the basement into this storage room because, like I said, we host a lot and toys just kept getting dumped. So I pulled most of those into the storage room, and honestly it made cleaning up today so much easier because there was less for the kids to get into. I was so happy that it only took me a few minutes to clean up the basement. That felt so good. But now I can head upstairs and tackle this post-lunch mess. And y'all, like, I don't even know what to say about this table. Clearly my kids had fun eating lunch. To clean this table today, I am using my Thieves Cleaner by Young Living. It is my go-to cleaner. I rave about it in almost all of my cleaning videos, and if you ask me, it is a must-have. I'm also using one of my Norwex cloths. This is generally what you will always see me cleaning with. Thieves Cleaner and Norwex cloths. They are my go-tos by far.
Floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh. Deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on tight. We got stars outside, and it feels just right.
Now that the kitchen and eat-in area are complete, I'm going to move into this main living room. We actually spent 90% of the play date in here this morning, so it's not as messy as it could have been, but I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down, a quick vacuum, and reset it for the rest of the day. The last thing on my to-do list before I sit down to eat lunch and start wrapping is to just sweep these floors. Honestly, these need mopped drastically, but I think I'm going to save that for another day because at this point, I'm just really hungry and I kind of just want to chill for a little bit. My kids have been very whiny this week, the 2 little ones at least. Like, just really needing a lot of attention. And so come nap time, Mama just needs to chill for a little bit. So mopping will wait for another day. So a quick little tip when it comes to wrapping for you mamas out there. Instead of writing your kids' names on the gifts, use a shape. And don't let your kids know what shape they are until Christmas morning. This really keeps them from like shaking their gifts under the tree or counting how many gifts they have, etc. And it really just saves mama a lot of headache. So that is a good little tip for you, and it is one that we use every year. I think I learned it on YouTube last year, and it is a good one. But I wanted to go ahead and say thank you guys so much for watching. This whole house reset took me about 30 minutes, and it feels so good. But I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I'll see you on the next one.